Welcome to Motimate Support. Today, we're going to walk you through how to add and manage users on your platform. To begin, navigate to the MotiSpace settings page. Once you're there, click on Users in the left side table to view all of your current users. To add a new user, simply click the Create User button located in the top right corner. To manage or edit a user, click on the desired user. This will open a side panel displaying all the user's details. Here, you can edit their name, employee number, email, phone number, role, status, and password. To deactivate a user, use the Status drop-down menu. Selecting Inactive will immediately deactivate the user for a 60-day retention period before they are automatically deleted from the system. If you don't want the user to be deleted, select Manually Deactivated. You can reactivate a user at any time by selecting Manually Activated. Please note, manually deactivated users will not be deleted unless done so manually. We'll show you how to do this shortly. You can also modify a user's role within your MotiSpace by accessing the Role drop-down menu. To change a user's group assignments, expand the Groups menu. Here, you'll see the groups the user is currently a member of, the group's level, and their role within the group. To edit a user's group membership, click on the Options button for the group and set a new role for the user within that group. If you need to remove a user from a group, click the Options button for the relevant group and select Remove. By expanding the Positions tab, you can view the user's assigned positions. You can add a new position by clicking Add Position. If you need to make changes to multiple users simultaneously, tick the box to mark the users you wish to edit. Then scroll up to find the Batch Actions menu. Here, you can send invitations or reminders to these users, change their status, mark them as invited, or delete them immediately. If you require further assistance on managing your users, feel free to review our help articles or reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.